So chances are you picked up a sample pack, a trial kit, or you just went all in and grabbed a full package of the Pruvit system and you're wondering, how do I even use this to get the fat loss results that you are looking for? Well, today I'm gonna break it all down for you so that you know how to use your kit, you get the best results, and you know what to do so you feel confident going in. And I'm so excited you guys decided to get started on this system, or if you're just hearing about this for the very first time, I think you're gonna learn a lot about how this works. If you grabbed a sample kit from me, I have all different options available on my blog. So I personally package these kits out, ship them out to you from my house, and use it as a tool to help you elevate your results with the ketogenic, low carb, high fat lifestyle. So I'm gonna talk about the products that I have included in most of my trial packs because that's what I typically get people started on. I'm gonna walk you through how to use it. If you got started with my mega pack, the goal of this trial pack sample kit system is to allow you to try it, see how it works for you in your lifestyle. For most people that get started and try it, they notice that they have appetite control, they're able to stick to their whatever lifestyle they decide to choose. Most people, it's the ketogenic, low carb, high fat lifestyle, but they're able to do that long term without falling off track. And if they do fall off track, it's much easier to get back on track and back into the stride of things when you have this product, almost like liquid willpower, to help you stay focused and stay on track. So some people like to utilize this system as they're just getting into ketosis and as they're just getting into this lifestyle. Some people like to utilize this system long term and consume it daily, every single day, like myself. I have for years, okay? So I don't know where I would be in my ketogenic journey without it, but I can tell you it's made it so much better for me and I just love it. And that is why I have partnered with Pruvit and created my own business around helping people get results with this product. So let's talk about what's included in your kit and how to use it to get results on a daily basis. The nat ketones. So it's gonna come in all different kinds of flavors, right? But it all works the same, meaning that the same naturally fermented ketones in here. So your goal with the nat is to consume at least one of these per day. Some people like to drink 2 a day, some people like to drink 3 a day. It's optional to have more than one, and some people like to have it caffeinated in the morning and a decaffeinated at night, because you want to boost those benefits. But if you're just looking for fat loss and you're just looking to how to utilize this program, you can do just 1 a day and it works great. It's gonna help you with the energy, the mental clarity, the focus. I like to drink mine during my fasted workout in the morning, but that's just preference. You can drink it any time of day you want. Ideally, if your goal is fat loss though, I would say drink it while you are fasted, because it's going to really boost the benefits of your intermittent fasting, and it's gonna help you prolong your fast so you can fast longer. So it's very flexible. If you're watching this and you're like, I don't know how to use this program, it's so simple that sometimes the simplicity can make it seem complicated. You're just drinking one of these any time of day that you want, preferably in the morning, fasted, okay? And if you want to use it with your workout to help you boost your energy, you can do that just like me. That's what I do. That's the foundation. That's the main product. That's what you want to be consuming every single day of this lifestyle. Have at least one. So when you get this package, you try them all. What flavor did you love the best? When that one comes back, or if that one's available on Smart Ship where you can save 22% off every month, you want to grab it and you want to set it up so that you don't miss a day without your ketones. You're gonna want to keep this going after you try it. Next thing is Keto Kreme. So I include Keto Kreme in my trial kits because it's amazing. There's collagen, there's MCT oil in here, there's a ton of benefits for you, really high B vitamins which help you with your ketogenic lifestyle, but collagen is super important for healthy skin, hair, and nails, and all of that, and we want that, especially for the women, right, as you're doing the ketogenic lifestyle. But it's a fat coffee, so what it's going to do is it's going to boost your natural ketone production. There's different ways you can use this, okay? Some experts will say you can drink this while fasted, and it depends on your goal of the fast. It does contain calories, so technically it's gonna stop production of the human growth hormone, which is typically what we want to be enhancing during a fast. However, there are properties in here that kind of mimic some of the benefits that you're getting with the high human growth hormone. If your goal is fat loss and you want to consume this as a fasted meal, you can do that, and technically it's probably gonna break your fast, but it's gonna enhance your fasted goals, if that makes sense, with keto. a lot of times people will use this as their first meal. So they will do intermittent fasting, and then maybe like around 11 a.m., they will blend up some keto cream and they will use that to help them then make their first solid meal around 2 p.m. But you can use this however it fits best in your lifestyle. Some people like to have this in between their 2 meals. So maybe they have lunch and then they will have this in the afternoon, and then they will have like dinner, okay? So it depends on you and how you wanna do it, or you can do this fasted in the morning if you wanna blend this with your coffee. If you have specific goals with fasting that involve fat loss, that can work very well for you also. So I like to just take this product, put it in either a blender, or you can get like a little milk frother, which is really cool on Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive. They're like $7, and they will just, in your mug, it will just kind of like blend it together so that it gets really frothy and smooth and amazing. I like to add butter to that sometimes because it kind of makes it a little bit more creamy and kind of cuts down on the sweetness a little bit, or heavy whipping cream to that if I'm consuming this and I'm no longer fasted, okay? So I will do that sometimes. But just coffee and keto cream is really good as well. Depends on you, depends on your preference, depends on what flavors you like. There's a bunch of different flavors of the keto cream, but basically the recipes are all the same. You're gonna just blend it up with coffee. You can have it any time of day you want. It's going to enhance your ketogenic lifestyle. So that's why I like to include this in my sample kits, so you have a chance to try it, see if you like it, so that you can go and grab a full supply of this. And this is a product that you can put on Smart Ship, which means you can set it up on a monthly delivery. It can be canceled or changed anytime. You can switch flavors around, but you're gonna get 22% off automatically every month that this product ships. And on the 4th shipment, they're gonna send you a full supply of free product, whatever the product is of that month, with your shipment, okay? So that goes for any of the products you put on Smart Ship. Electrolytes. So these are flavored Mito Plex. I did an entire video all about Mito Plex and why it's amazing. So if you want to learn more about that, you can check that video out. Mito Plex is great because it works at the mitochondrial level. If you're doing a low carb, high fat, ketogenic lifestyle, you know how important electrolytes are. If you're not getting the electrolytes you need and your body is flushing it, you're gonna find it very tempting to fall off track, and most likely you will fall off track, and you're not gonna know why you can't stay on track long term. It's the electrolytes. So if you are getting a really high quality electrolytes like Mito Plex, it's great. Now Mito Plex you can use, there's only 5 calories in here. You can use it any time of day you want. You can drink it fasted, you can drink it after your fast is broken, you can mix it in with your ketones. It's really, really good mixed in with the ketones. The flavored ones, they definitely enhance the ketone flavor and they make them really good. There's the lemon, there's the orange and the lime as of the time of this recording. There might be some more flavors that come after this, I don't know. Pruvit likes to do that. So that's basically the system. And then there's other things you can layer on top of that, and that would be the Keto OS Pro. Typically in my kits, if I have them in stock, I will include 1 Keto OS Pro for you to try. It's like a keto protein shake, however, it's lower in protein, because if you guys know anything about keto, you know you wanna keep protein low, fats high, and so it's like a meal replacement that's going to include ketones but give you everything that you need within a meal so that you can use this as one of your meals. And it makes it very simple, especially if you're on the go. They have some new ones, especially like the cold brew, the caramel cold brew. That's really good if you shake it up with like unsweetened almond milk and ice, and it literally, I mean, it tastes like a Starbucks cold brew latte. It's just so good, okay? And then this is the banana, which I also really love, and there's a birthday cake one. Depends on you, your preference, and what you're using it for, but you can utilize this within this system in that way. Use it, like layer it on top. Like some days you're gonna do this, some days you're not gonna do this, but every day you're gonna drink your nat, every day you're gonna have your Mito Plex, and most days you're gonna have some keto cream. So that's the breakdown of that. Now there are many other products that are incredible. The goal with it is for you to just find what you like best. These are kind of like my faves, but like I said, check out the website, check out what else is available. There is nothing on there that I don't like. So I would tell you if there was a product that I was like, don't get this, no. I love them all, so you really can't go wrong with any of them. The trial pack, the sample kit that you have or have on the way, that kit's goal is to help you find the flavors that you like best so that you know what you're investing in when you go grab a full box and you know that you're gonna love it, so you don't have to worry about it. So thankful for you. Thank you for being on this journey with me. If you are interested in getting a sample pack and this is the first time you're even learning about it, click the link in the description. You can get started that way. You'll get into my groups and everything that I have to support you towards reaching your goals, and we can do this together.